I agree.
I kind of agree.
I agree.
I disagree.
I agree.
I kind of
agree.
agree.
Struggling to think about ways of expressing agreement or disagreement? Hello everyone! Stay tuned into this video because I'll show you 8 expressions to show agreement and disagreement. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to enjoy more real world English content each week.
Expressions for agreeing. Number 1. Definitely.
I think we should increase the size of the budget for the cultural project in Rwanda.
Definitely, it is the best option to complete the project as planned.
An easy way of showing agreement could be by saying definitely, and this is very similar to saying I agree. It means you have no doubt about what the other person is saying. Number 2. Exactly. I know it is sunny right now, but with Bogota's crazy weather, who knows?
Exactly. I always take the umbrella everywhere with me.
This second expression, exactly, is like saying that you completely agree on something.
Number 3. That's right.
Oh, that was the longest and hardest homework ever.
That's right. I barely slept 3 hours because I finished it so late.
This third expression is also a way of agreeing with somebody else. That's right.
Expressions for disagreeing. Number 1. Or.
I think we should postpone the festival and change the date.
Are you crazy? No way. Oh, not again.
Another way of disagreeing with somebody instead of saying I disagree is by using the conjunction or. Or is used to connect different possibilities, and by suggesting another one, you would implicitly disagree with the previous one.
I think we should postpone the festival and change the date.
Or we could extend the event date as everything is already arranged, and extend it will be easier than postponing.
Number 2. But.
I see it black and blue. The dress looks black and blue to me.
What? But it's white and gold.
Seriously? You have to be joking. It's black and blue.
But is a word we can use to express disagreement. It is often more polite than just directly saying I disagree.
Number 3. I don't think so.
I don't get it. How is the main character the good one after she just stole somebody else's boyfriend? Well, that girl has been mean to her throughout the whole movie as well. I don't think so. She's been mean to her since she started flirting with her boyfriend. I mean, the good girl even made a plan to become his new girlfriend. I don't think so is our last expression for disagreement, and it shows your opinion is just different to the other person's one.
Expressions for partially agreeing. Number 1. Kind of.
I wish I could be at the beach right now. Well, kind of, but it's too cold to swim, so it wouldn't be fun. Or it would be fun for me. I also like walking on the sand and looking at the sea. For partially agreeing with something, you can say kind of. which would mean that even if you agree with the idea, there is a part of it you don't agree with it 100%.
Number 2, partly, but.
Look, this graffiti is beautiful because of those wonderful colors.
Well, partly, but it is beautiful not just because of its colors, but the story behind the drawing, the picture, the effort the artist put into making it, all these invisible things that our final expression to partially agree is partly, but by using this one, we would have to explain why we agree with the other's position and why we don't completely agree with it as well. That's everything for today, guys. It was a pleasure to have you watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with which topic you would like to see next.